Valentine week tends to spotlight flowers, reservation, and big gestures. The real joy often comes from something a lot less flashy, like a relationship that feels safe, steady, and chosen. So if you're career-driven, there's a sneaky truth that the same habit that makes you powerful at work can accidentally drain your connections at home. And it's not because you don't care, but because you're leading all day, and then you come home with whatever energy is left, pretty much the crumbs. Here are 5 patterns that shows up a lot, and the self-leadership shift that can change the tone fast. First, love turned into logistics. That means your relationship becomes a running list. And the shift is simple. Schedule presence, not just time. Even 15 minutes without your phone can bring you back to each other. Second, you lead at home the way you lead at work. Directing can give you results at work, but at home it can land like control. The shift is partnership language. For example, can we solve this together? Or what will feel supportive to you right now? Third, you wait until you are overwhelmed to speak. Well, silence collects receipts, and then a small comment becomes a big blowout. The shift is asking early and clearly. For example, I'm getting stretched and I need help with whatever you need help with by this specific timeline. Fourth, you overgive and you call it love. Overgiving can create resentment, but not closeness. The shift is one kind boundary. For example, I can do that, just not tonight. Fifth, your nervous system runs the conversation. So, for example, after a heavy day, your stress is running high before your heart is actually out. So, any tiny comment, you snap, and then you say the wrong thing. The shift is, you can say, I'm feeling stretched, and I'm not mad at you. Can we start over? That can fix everything. So you can do one boundary this week. For example, appreciation, shows appreciation. I appreciate what you've done for me, and this week I need a little more support. Can we do something together on Saturday or spend some time on this specific day? This week, choose love. If you're having any challenges on your relationship, message me Rise, and I would love to send you something, a line, even if it is just to have a quick connection to support you and get you back aligned in your relationship. Check me in at 𝗲𝗲𝗂𝗿𝗁.com. Happy Valentine's Day.